Welcome back.
Today we'll be showing you guys a popular dish at restaurants called the
Bang Bang
Shrimp.
To make Bang Bang shrimp, we'll need 1 pound of shrimp, peeled and deveined, mayo, sriracha, and sweet Thai chili sauce to create the Bang Bang sauce. Buttermilk to soak the shrimp in. We will batter the shrimp with cornstarch, your preference of frying oil, and diced green onions, and spring mix to garnish with, which are optional. To start, we are going to make the Bang Bang sauce. In a bowl, combine 1/2 cup of mayo, 1/2 cup of sweet chili sauce, and 1/4 cup sriracha. And just to note, you can make this recipe as spicy as you'd like by adjusting the balance of sriracha and sweet chili sauce. Now give all the ingredients a good whisk and set the sauce aside.
I like the color.
Next, add the shrimp to the bowl with buttermilk and let them soak. Pour just enough buttermilk to cover the shrimp. And if you don't have buttermilk at home, you can replace it with a mixture of eggs and half milk. It doesn't need a whole lot of time to soak. We just need to give the shrimp something for the cornstarch to stick to. At this time, go ahead and set your fire to 350 degrees to get the oil going. In another bowl, pour out 1 cup of cornstarch. Drain all the excess buttermilk off our shrimp and dredge it into the cornstarch, making sure every single surface is perfectly covered. Make sure to pack it in and shake off any excess. Once the shrimp is nicely coated, we're gonna go ahead and place them on a wire rack for a couple of minutes so that the batter can really stick. Now, repeat these steps with the remaining shrimp swimming in the buttermilk. And just to note, you can always add more cornstarch to the bowl if you need more. Now that the oil is at 350 degrees, place the battered shrimp into the fryer. Try not to overcrowd the basket. Shrimp cooks really fast, maybe 1.5 to 2 minutes, so keep an eye on them. After about 1 to 2 minutes, you will have perfectly cooked golden brown shrimp. Wow, look at that. Now, take the shrimp out of the basket and set them on a cooling rack for about a minute. Now, add the shrimp to the sauce bowl and give them a nice toss. And look at that, you're all done. Once they're coated beautifully in the Bang Bang sauce, go ahead and plate them. I personally like to place them over a bed of spring mix and garnish them with some diced green onion. Ta-da! Here's the finished product, Bang Bang shrimp. Enjoy your new banging appetizer.
Now it's time to taste test.
This Bang Bang shrimp, it can be served as an appetizer over a bed of greens.
Or with white rice.
to make it a complete dish.
Or with bread to make a sandwich.
So let's see.
But we love rice, so
Yeah.
let's taste test.
Go ahead, let's take that one.
For real, you're gonna give me this one? Okay, thank you.
I'll take the next one.
Ready? Cheers. And meat. Dang it.
Cheers.
Try. Cheers. Okay. You can't go wrong with fried shrimp. You know? It's so good. Like, this is one of the best.
Can't go wrong with fried shrimp and sauce.
I can eat this more than once a week. It's so good.
This shrimp is banging, y'all.
Make it.
Perfectly fried. It's crunchy, crispy. It's sweet and spicy.
Yep. Okay.
It's a lot of flavor. It's delicious. All right. There's one.
You want to eat some more?
Just one more.
Just to let y'all know that it's really good. I'm gonna eat all of this after we end and tell everyone say good, goodbye. We hope y'all enjoyed today's video, and if you like what you see, please press the like and subscribe button. Also the bell button for notifications for future updates.
Well, we'll catch you guys in the next episode.
Peace.
Peace.